Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair exploded 1.2% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The euro dollar pair rose 0.6% in the last session, after gaining as much as 1% during the session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The pound rose 0.4% against the dollar in the last trading session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar pair rose 0.8% in the last session, after gaining as much as 1.4% during the session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
US consumer prices were unexpectedly unchanged in May as cheaper gasoline and other goods offset higher costs for rental housing, but inflation remains too high for the Federal Reserve to start cutting interest rates before September. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq posted record closing highs for a third straight day after consumer prices data came in softer than expected, but the indexes ended off the day's highs as the Federal Reserve projected only one interest rate cut this year. Terraform Labs has agreed to pay the United States Securities and Exchange Commission roughly $4.47 billion as part of its settlement with the securities regulator. The total remedies include disgorgement fines of roughly $3.6 billion, a civil penalty of $420 million, and pre-judgment interest of nearly $467 million.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US initial jobless claims will be released at 12:30 GMT, the US Producer Price Index at 12:30 GMT, the Eurozone's industrial production at 9 GMT. The Eurozone's Eurogroup meeting will be released at 7 GMT, Australia's employment change at 1:30 GMT, Australia's unemployment rate at 1:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.